Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to change your business phone on QuickBooks. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and change their business phone number on QuickBooks. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you first want to do is log onto QuickBooks. Then on the upper right hand corner, you want to click on this gear icon right next to the icon of the letter of your first name. Next, click on Account and Settings. And then from here, you have the option to edit your business name, your business email, your business phone number, and your EIN or SSN. Go ahead and click on Edit Business Phone. So what you see right here is a number that QuickBooks has been using to contact you, and this also shows on your sales forms. In order to change this number, all you've got to do is type in the new phone number in this type box here, and then click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your business phone number on QuickBooks. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.